Banded agate. Just look at this guy. What is it for? Cutting through and dissolving negative energies. Negative energies can also be really self-doubt, focusing on the opposite of what you are working on manifesting on. I mean, Charlie, my conscious mind was up at 3-something this morning and simply would not stop chitter-chattering and running the same thought over and over and over again, which is the opposite of what is a truth. Now, there is a part of the truth, and yet Charlie just wants to focus on what's totally wrong rather than what's actually working as we move forward. So I got up. I thought about making some coffee, and I thought, nah, just work for a half hour just to completely distract my conscious mind. So what did I do? I'm working on a new project. I actually had done it a couple years ago and somehow got it into my mind that it was slowing down my website. So I deleted it. What is that project? It is Crystal Meanings A through Z. It's already up. Well, some of it's done, and I got another couple of pages done this morning. We're doing a page per letter. So A for amethyst and agate and all kinds of things. Appetite, okay? And then there's B and C and D and E. And then I'm working on the rest of them. And I'll be doing a couple pages a day. Because when I get to J, it's going to be all about jasper. And there are a lot of jaspers. So, the whole point of me reaching for my banded agate, and I was asking my crystals, which one of you wants to help me break the loop, dissolve it, break it, disintegrate it, eliminate it, so that Charlie is just quiet. And the answer is this beautiful banded agate. Now there's another one in my palmstone basket, and this is the one that I found first. I love this little natural hole. It actually has some little quartz pieces in there. Isn't it beautiful? What are you working on today, beautiful soul? What is your conscious mind attempting to just make you bananas about? Grab a piece of banded agate or selenite, mostly banded agate, and just have some fun with it. Just hold it, put it in your pocket, have it next to you while you're working today. You know, I think I'm going to do that and put it on a piece of, put it near a selenite athame or ethame on my desk today as I work. All right, y'all. See you again soon. Do pop by the Crystal Boutique. There's lots of goodies in there. So palm stones for sure at this point in time. Obelisks, clusters, spheres, points, natural, unpolished, and all kinds of goodies. You can shop by shape. I'll see you later.